Oh, no. Wow.
Hey, my watch! Hello, boys. Seems like you've had a busy day.
What, this? This is just some stuff we found, right, boys?
I'm not interested in your knickknacks. Your burgled baubles bore me. There are 2 blue macaws out there, and I need your multitude of eyes to help me find them.
Oh, yeah? What's in it for us?
Well, that's a fair question. Let's discuss it. I certainly see your point, but what could I possibly do for you in return?
Save me! Save me!
Oh, well, that's a thought, yeah. But is it enough? I don't want to feel like I'm cheating you.
Help me! Help me! Help me! No, we'll do it! We'll do it! Save me, please! Save me!
All right, you've twisted my wing. Deal. Now then, any more questions? No? Good. You will spread out, and you will find these macaws by the end of the day. Or it's flying lessons for everyone! Go! Go do your monkey business.